Welcome to ChatGPT, your personal AI assistant, ready to help you with everyday tasks right from your phone. Using ChatGPT on your phone means enhanced productivity and ultimate convenience. Imagine having a knowledgeable assistant right at your fingertips. Let's start by downloading the ChatGPT app from your App Store. Simply search for ChatGPT and press install. Once downloaded, open the app and create your account. Just fill in your details and set up your profile for personalized assistance. Navigating the app is easy. Familiarize yourself with key features like chat history and preferences. Adjust your preferences for language and response styles to match your needs. It's all about making ChatGPT work for you. To get the most out of ChatGPT, integrate it with other apps on your phone for enhanced functionality and seamless assistance. For better results, make sure to be clear and specific when interacting with ChatGPT. Use phrases that guide the conversation. Whether it's finding information, setting reminders, or managing tasks, ChatGPT can assist you with countless activities on your phone. Explore the world of ChatGPT and see how it can transform your phone into a powerful AI assistant. Start your journey today.